So, kamusta? Kumaga, nag 1 year na yung Doble Cara ngayon.
Mag 1 year sila, yeah. Ako kasi late ako pumasok sa Doble Cara noong November. So, syempre napakaswerte ako na sinama nila ako dito sa Doble Cara. And hanggang ngayon, magaling yung tanggap ng audience ng Doble Cara.
Kamusta working with Julia?
Saya. I look at her as I want to say like the next Bea. Maybe it's not right to use, Bea's name, but I look because Bea, when she was young, she was also doing mature roles at a young age. And si Julia kasi she's kaka 21 pa lang siya, but she's so mature for her age. She's very mature. She's parang hindi siya 21.
Kamusta yung working relationship niyong dalawa dito sa teleseryeng to?
Okay, I'm very lucky kasi sa totoo lang, marami beses na nabubulol pa ako, nahihirapan pa ako sa mga linya, and she's very understanding. Parang tinutulungan niya ako, and I really appreciate that about her, na may patience sa akin. Napakahusay din. Dito, kung nakikita yung napakahirap talaga na gawin ng tambal na role. And just amazing, kahit dire-diretso yung trabaho, diretso yung taping, and lahat ng eksena kasama siya, nakambal pa, she's able to pull it off so well, and just to keep her patience also, parang grabe, nakakapako talaga, pero she's still able to do it, and do it just so well. Yeah, she's very professional, she's very good at what she does, and she's very mature for you.